Good morning everyone, my name is Sanket and our topic is implementing stack and queue in linked list. And the contents are linked list, stack, queue and stack using single linked list and queue using single linked list. And let us know what is linked list. A linked list is a data structure that consists of a sequence of nodes where each node contains some data and pointer to the next node. You can see that picture. Stack. A stack is a type of data structure that follows the last in first out LIFO principle. In other words, the most recently added item is the first one to be removed. A stack can be implemented using a linked list by keeping a pointer to the top of the stack. You can see the image. What is queue? A queue is a type of a data structure that follows a first in first out FIFO principle. In other words, the oldest item to be first of the to be removed. A queue can be also implemented using a linked list by keeping pointers to both the front and the rear of the queue. You can see the image. And let us know what is stack using singly linked list. In this implementation, we define a structure node to present each node in the linked list. Each node contains an integer data value and pointer next to the next node in the list. We also define a global pointer top that points to the top of the stack, which is initially set to null. You can see the code. Next, the push function takes an integer x as an input, creates a node, new node, sets its data value to x and sets its next pointer to the current top of the stack. If any final, it's update the pointer to point to the new node. The pop function removes the top node from the stack by setting top to point to the next node, if any, and freeing the memory allocated for the original top node. You can see the code. The display function traverses the linked list starting from the top and prints out the data value for each node. In the main function, we demonstrate how to use the stack by pushing 3 values into it, displaying the stack, popping of value of the stack and displaying the stack again. And next will be continued by Varun.
Hi, my name is Varun. Now let us see implementation of a queue using single linked list. The enqueue function takes an integer x as input, creates a new node, sets its data value to x and sets its next pointer to the null. If the queue is empty, it updates both front and rear to point to the next node. Otherwise, it updates the next pointer of the current rear node to point to the new node and updates the rear pointer to point to the new node. Next, the dequeue function removes the front node from the queue by setting front to point to the next node, freezing the memory allocated for the original front node and updating the rear pointer to null if the queue is now empty. The display function prints the element of the queue from front to rear if the queue is not empty. You can see the code in the left side. Okay, thank you.